Good morning. Welcome to day 3 of our Centre Parks Christmas Eve vlogs. And we had a great night last night. It was good fun. If you didn't see that vlog, go back and watch. And I'm cooking. I'm gonna cook some bacon, of all the things to cook. Gonna have some bacon, and I've got some bagels and some cream cheese I think in the fridge. So I'm gonna have some of that. And I'm gonna have a chilled morning. And then I booked us a cabana for this afternoon, evening, around the pool. So we're going to check that out later. Anyway, enjoy our day with us. It's very misty. I like the mist through the trees. And the twinkly lights everywhere. Want to say good morning to the vlog?
Morning.
Morning. Morning. We're having a bit of little adulty time with the grandparents have taken Callie already down to the park. Well, they've gone on the train and they've taken Callie down to the park, but we'll probably beat them there. Anyway, we're going for a little walk. We're just walking down the Cascade Falls, which there was one time there was water. Well, there is a little bit of trickly water in there, look. A little trickly water. There's more of the water coming down. It is a little trickle. But the first time I came here it was like a proper like waterfall into a pond. It goes all the way down to the bottom. It's nice. Oh, I just got dripped in the eye. Oh.
Misty dew, mizzle.
It's beautiful. It's like the only bit of greenery left at this time of year.
Yeah. It just feels like you're surrounded by Christmas trees because of the shape of the trees.
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine being here in the summer.
I know, I just, it's just a different vibe, I'm sure. Like, some people say, oh, I couldn't imagine going there in the winter, and I'm like, oh.
I've never done that.
Yeah, I've only ever done it.
We did March, didn't we, last year?
Yeah, that was all right, but we both said we missed the Christmas vibe. Like, we really like coming at Christmas.
This is the most magical I've felt. And that's like in terms of Christmassy, and like, but then I think that's a lot to do with Callie as well.
Yeah, definitely. Like with the Santa.
Day I think I've ever experienced. Like the heart that I don't have melted.
Oh, I was nearly crying. That was, oh, it was beautiful. Just like such a lovely experience. And because he took his time, I did not feel rushed.
Not at all.
I remember feeling rushed last time we saw Santa.
He was a rubbish looking Santa. But,
he wasn't the best.
His beard on a bit straight, do you know what I mean? So the other Santa was a better looking. He had a
much better looking.
He had his own beard. And he was a skinny Santa. I was like, have you been on Monjaro? I really wanted to say that. That's why you were on the naughty list.
Yeah. It's the pond.
Yeah,
there's my row of ducks.
Yeah, there used to be ducks. So those boys used to be ducks.
I remember the first time we came down here, I was like, look at all those ducks, they're all right in a line. And Kim was like, they're not real, but they've changed them out.
Oh. Yes.
That was a line of ducks. I was like, look, they've arranged themselves right in a line. They weren't real. Yeah.
This is as in like that little whirlpool.
I don't know what that is.
I think
it's probably the drain.
Yeah. Because this would be pretty stagnant without it.
Yeah. We've got new mini adventure golf, but I haven't booked that yet. I would like to do that, but I want Callie to be a bit older to be able to do that. Yeah, there's the adventure golf. It looks good. It's only a couple of years old.
Yeah, they've extended it. I didn't realise that. This used to be a maze.
Oh yeah, little like wooden maze thing.
No, the maze was rubbish.
Yeah, it looks good.
But there used to be an absolutely huge one where the high ropes.
We have done this mini golf when Callie was like 8 months old. It was painful. It was cute because he was little, but yeah, we got a climber wall. And then football pool. Hey, so I've got a surprise for you. We've booked a cabana. Oh my god, it's not really a surprise. I told you at the beginning of this video, but I'll show you what's happening. It's pretty cool actually. So come on in through the lovely curtains here. And you've got some comfy seats and footrests. You can see out as well, so you can see we're like right by the pool, the main pool. Little window hatch and everything. Got some floaty things there, towels. We've got a safe, but I don't think we're going to bother using it. TV, magazines, a fridge with some cold drinks in there already, which I'm totally going to smash that 7-Up in a minute. Oh, and the lights on. Bin, comfy lounger, and yeah, some more chairs and stuff. So brilliant. We've booked it, so this is an 8-seater lodge. We've booked for well, the 6 of us and our friends with their little one, which, I mean, realistically there could be 10 of us in here, but hopefully they won't really care. Yeah, because there's 10 of us all in our entire party. But I'm hoping they won't count the kids, even though the kids are above 2. But it is like basically for 8 people in. Children over 2 do count. I'm hoping they'll not really mind so much. This was £96 and I booked it this morning. When I originally went to book all of our activities, they didn't have any available. And so I just thought, this morning I woke up and I thought, I wonder if there's been a cancellation, because I wanted this session, this like Sunday evening session. So I thought I'll just check to see how, see if anyone's cancelled, and I'm so glad I did because it was there available. So we've all chipped in as well, and that's made it come right, you know, the price was, I think we paid like 30 quid a couple, so that's fine. And yeah, we can order food here, and so that's what we're going to do. We're going to order some food, and we get free soft drinks and just get 3 hours worth of getting to sit here and chill out. It's warm, so like when everyone gets a little bit chilly, we can come back and warm up and have food and drinks. And that's kind of what we wanted it for, really. And then we're going to go on our night swim. So I'm going to switch over to the GoPro again for you guys to get to experience all the fairy lights outside in the dark. But yeah, welcome to Cabana at Centre Parks. And then because we're going to have dinner, this is how we're going to order our dinner. So we've got a QR code here that we can scan. This is the menu, so we can order alcoholic drinks as well. We just don't get those free. And then we've got all of the snacks and things like that, pizzas, just like basically everything really that you could want and need. Burgers, hot dogs and sides, children's menu. So yeah, we just scan our QR code and then we order, and I believe then it will come round to us. So that's quite nice. Yeah, so we're doing that in a little bit, and I'll show you what that looks like. Got a burger. There you go, you might be able to see it now. I've got a burger with some curly fries. Sorry, I was thinking then. What have you got?
Cheesy chips and a chicken burger.
Oh yeah. And Sean's got a burger too.
Chicken bacon.
And then you've got some little curly fries and nuggies there as well. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kim. Happy birthday to you. Thanks very much. I hate you so much.
Jingle, 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 jingle all the way. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle, 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 jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is.
There you go. Now Nick's relaxing on cuddle.
Your name is. What else would we get?
Tinsel bells! That's the end of our vlog for today. Did you have a nice last day in your 30s?
Yeah, thank you for that. Yes, it was lovely and chilled, thank you.
Did you enjoy that swimming pool?
Swimming pool in the cabana, yeah, it was lovely.
Good. Marvellous.
It's nice to be able to sit down and everyone just eat and chill together.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, see you tomorrow.
Your big birthday day.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Bye. Do the subscribe thing. You know what to do. Press the buttons. Bye.